What's up, everyone? It's Ryan Nelson, and you are watching Kern Living. As you all may know, it is Taco March Madness, and we're at a place that you all nominated as one of the best taco restaurants in Kern County. El Taco Rojo is the name, and I've got Corey with me. He's a reporter here at 23 ABC. Corey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm great. Are you excited for these tacos?
I'm so excited. I'm extremely hungry.
All right, we're gonna try them, and we'll let you know what we think.
Hi, my name is Angie Ramirez. I'm one of the owners of El Taco Rojo. We are here at our location, 5700 Gasoline Alley Drive. We are located inside of the Toyota Service Center. We have our most popular food option, which is our birria queso taco. 2019, when we started our business, that's the only meat option that we served, and that is the most popular food that we have is our queso tacos. If you get 3 of them, you do get a free consomme with the purchase. The consomme, what it is the broth. We use that for many different things, including our birria ramen. We do have our chorizo tacos, we have asada tacos, we have our birria street tacos. We are also having vegetarian options at this location. We serve breakfast all day. So you guys can find us on Instagram or Facebook at El Taco Rojo. We do offer DoorDash, Grubhub, Uber Eats, as well as our own delivery. Our address again is 5700 Gasoline Alley Drive inside of the Toyota Service Center. Our phone number is 661-381-2222.
Now it's time to dig in and try these tacos. Where should we start?
Maybe, yeah, their signature.
Yeah.
Shredded beef.
Here we go. Wow, Kern County, you all were right. This is definitely one of the best places to eat tacos in Kern County. Corey, what'd you think?
It was incredibly delicious.
I agree. With that being said, make sure you vote for them on Instagram in our comments. Hey, follow us at Kern Living on Facebook and Instagram as well. My name is Ryan, and man, we've got some tacos to eat, and I'll see you next time.